इसके लिए लाखों लोगों ने अपना खून बहाया, घर छोड़े, जेलें काटी और हंसते हंसते फांसी के फंदे को चूम लिया।
I am very happy to speak a few words about my beautiful country, India. India is my beloved country. I love my India very much. People of different religions, languages, and cultures live together in our country. They love, respect, and help one another. We are Indians, and we are proud to be Indians. Whenever someone asks us, which country do you belong to? We proudly reply, I am an Indian. أنا زينب بن شفيق الرحمن من الهند. اليوم هو يوم استقلال